Hi, it's Traci Lynn, and I want you to move your body for 14 minutes and 50 seconds. That's it, to a strength, cardio, core stability workout featuring functional compound movements. Moving your body in this way allows for a shorter, effective workout. If you are new to my channel, please be sure to watch my first and very first videos so you can understand what my workouts are all about and get the full benefit. So my workouts are full body fusion. You will be moving your entire body with strength training. When you're moving your upper, you're moving your lower, and the other way around. But you can customize these workouts so much. Make it your workout. Take the upper body movements out and just do the lower body and hold some weights. Decide on the intensity. Don't hold the weights, or the other way around. You'll still get a fantastic workout. Do the whole body movement and don't hold weights, or heavier weights, lighter weights. Rest longer if you need to. Pause the video. Don't rest at all. Move during the rest times. Modify the movements however you need to. If you can't do a full squat, full lunge, do mini squats, mini lunges. There are so many options. Challenge yourself where you can, as long as you can keep that proper form. With that said, be sure to watch my basics of proper form video and get those basics down before adding any resistance. Very important. I also don't include a warm-up or a cool down in most of my workouts, but I have warm-up and cool down videos. So if you haven't yet warmed up, I suggest you get a quick warm-up and also cool down afterward. It's great to do that. So here we go. Let's work out. 14 minutes, 50 seconds. We are using free weights. We've got medium to heavier, 8s, 10s, 12s. Go heavier if you want to. This all is based on what your level is. Lighter, 3s, 5s, or 8s, or whatever works for you. This is more of a challenge workout. We are on for 45 seconds, off for 20, and during that rest time, I will explain the next movement. We are going to do 7 movements, and each movement we're doing twice, and then we'll move on to the next. So that is how that is going to work. And here's your first move. I'm going to use 10-pound weights. I'm going a little heavier, which I normally don't do when I'm instructing because I sound completely winded. But this is a workout for me too, because I haven't worked out yet. So you're doing half squats with lat rows. So you're down, you're gonna sit back into your heels, line those knees up, basics of proper form, and you're just gonna row it up, just like this, little half squats. That's your first move. We'll do those twice. Palms in. And I'm gonna start the clock right now. Boom. We'll start in 8 seconds. Sit back in your heels, line those knees up. Back, row it up. We're not coming up all the way. Those arms are right along your ribs. Squeeze those shoulder blades together in the back. If you need to come up all the way, come up. Woo! Feel that already. Shoulder blades squeeze together. "45 seconds. Row it up. Chest is up. Keep those knees lined up. Pause that video if you need to. Otherwise, keep it going. This is cardio. Okay, we're going to do those again. Doing all this and talking is challenging. These are 10 pounds, right here. I have these linked below. I love these weights. I highly recommend them. Okay, back down. Keep that spine straight. Your spine should always be lined up from your neck down to your butt. Not too much curvature. Don't want to stick your bum out too much. Just sitting back in your heels. Row up along your ribs. Squeeze those shoulder blades together and don't let your shoulders come up like that. If it's too much in your back, as far as pressure, come up like this and take a little break. Keep moving. Don't do what I do. Modify where you need to. Always. These are such customizable workouts. Okay, next movement. We are doing just some regular squats. Oh, I'm gonna have to lighten these weights after this first move. You're just going like this with alternating bicep curls, up and down. Uh-oh. These are gonna get heavy. It's like an elevator, up and down. Chest is up. Elbows stay in. You're just moving your forearms. Whoa. These weights get real heavy in these workouts because you're moving so many muscles. This is cardio. Line those knees up. Do the best you can. If you can't go all the way down in a squat, just go mini. These are out of here. 8s. Whoa. Back into your heels. I can feel it in my back, so come up out of the squat and just do the bicep curls if you need to. See? You can do upper or lower. Wide leg squat. Go. Elevator up, elevator down. Elbows in. Knees are lined up. Getting it all. Your legs, big time. If you're just doing your legs and holding weights, you're still getting a fantastic leg glute workout. But because these are short workouts, I'm gonna give you the option to do it all so you can get that cardio in. You can even get the cardio just doing legs or upper body too. There's just not as many muscles. Oh, it's so hard to talk. I'm gonna sound ridiculous. Okay, deadlift. This is a wide leg deadlift. It's not a squat. You're just slightly bending those knees, line them up, hinge at the hips, down. Look up, shoulder blades, rear delt flies. Come up and squeeze. 45 seconds. Squeeze, up and squeeze. Slight bend to the knees. Go at your pace. Squeeze it up, squeeze those shoulder blades together, and then squeeze those glutes. Little tilt to the pelvis, squeeze in there. Okay, rest time. This is going to go quickly. I'm sweating. This is cardio. This is. Wide legs, slight bend to the knees. Keep the knees lined up. Drop it down, shoulder blades together, flat back. Row up and squeeze. It's a lateral row or rear delt. Fly, upper back, row. There's lots of, not really a rear delt fly, a lateral row. But you're getting your rear shoulder muscles and your upper back. Really getting the hamstrings, getting into the glutes, legs. All my workouts, you're getting glutes, hamstrings, legs, always. It's really important to keep those hips strong. Finish it out. Stretching after this, I would have to say, is a necessity because it'll really help alleviate any soreness or stiffness for sure. Next move, straight leg lunge with tricep. I need to stop talking. Straight leg lunge. Keep those upper arms still. You're just moving those forearms. Keep those elbows tucked in. Flex those triceps. Chest is up. Shoulders are out of your ears and retracted back. Keep that knee lined up. If you want to bend that back leg, go ahead. You're just not getting the full work in that front leg. This just gets more work in that front leg. Keeping that back leg straight. Woo. Okay, same thing. This time, just going to raise the arms straight up, getting into the upper back, triceps, just like that. Line that knee up, chest up, all those basic forms. Just push it up there. Woo! Feel that front leg and that back glute. Tighten that back glute when you come up. Squeeze it. Weights together in the back. Really get into that upper back. Woo! Glute burn. This is a challenge workout for sure. Whoa, that is good. Okay, I'm switching it up to 5-pound weights for those arm raises. Straight leg in the back. This time, lateral raises. Second set, front. Then we're on to the next move. 45 seconds, shoulder blades together. Line that knee up. Oh, straight back leg. Forgot. Keep that back leg straight. Bend it if you want to. Still getting a great workout. It's a lunge. Straight leg in the back just gives you more work in that front leg. These 5-pound weights are heavy suddenly. Line that knee up. Woo, balance. Okay, to the front. This is cardio. We are working multiple muscles. Our heart's pumping blood and oxygen all over the place. Cardio. To the front. Balance. Getting into that chest, front of the shoulder muscles, get those nice shapely shoulders. You'll get your legs, glutes, back, shoulders, triceps, biceps, hamstrings, abs, and all my workouts. But if you want to focus on just one part of your body, you take the other part out and just intensify it as you want to. Very customizable workouts. I've made them for you to make yours. Breathe. That's it. Okay, here we go. Whoa, okay. You can go 8s, 10s, 12s, 5s, whatever. We're doing shoulder presses, so you can go a little heavier if you still have it in you. Plie squat. Squeeze those glutes when you come up. Down, shoulder press. Line those knees up. Abs are tight. Towards your spine. Shoulder blades back. Shoulders out of your ears. Important, important, important. Keep those knees lined up. Go down as far as you want to, whatever works for you. Okay, next set. Same thing, except you're bringing your palms in. Straight up, get into the chest. More into the front of the shoulder. So much shoulder work here. So you'll go down, tighten the glutes, up like this. Lots of chest right here. Front of the shoulders, tops of the shoulders, glutes, legs, abs, arms. Tighten those glutes at the top. squeeze them. Keep those knees lined up. Breathe. Really getting into the upper back too. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, here we go. Are you ready? Bicycle boat rows. It's that bicycle boat. Just like that. 45 seconds. 45 seconds. You can do it. Drop the weight if you want to and just put your feet down like this. Still getting a really good ab workout doing this. I'm holding the weight to get some more arms. Just a little more challenge, but you can ditch it if you want to, for sure. I want to, but I'm going to hold on to it. Whoa! One more. One more. Same thing. And then we're done. Good job. Good job. Quick, effective, challenging workout. I'm sweating. Go. Put your feet down like this if you want to. Whatever works. Whoa, feeling those abs. If it's too much pressure on your lower back, put your feet down. It's a long 45 seconds. I'm putting my feet down. Oh my gosh. That's it. You did it. You moved your body. It doesn't have to be a lot and it doesn't have to be perfect, but you moved. And that's what matters. Thank you so much. If you like this workout, please give it a thumbs up. Please comment. I welcome those. And subscribe if you haven't. And don't forget to hit that notification bell because that's the only way you will know every time I upload a new workout, which I will be doing weekly, one or more. Share with friends and family on social media, off social media. Download my workout log down below. Very effective. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next workout.